Welcome students. In this video we're going to look at exponential differentiation with the following function. Y equals e to the x minus e to the minus x over 10. So the first step, we're going to change this form the way that it looks. So we're going to separate the numerator. So we're going to do e to the x 10 over 10 minus e to the minus x over 10. Now we take the derivative. So what's the derivative of e to the x? Is just e to the x. So the first step is 1 over 10 e to the x. Then this one is going to be equal to derivative of minus x is just minus 1. So this becomes minus 1 times negative becomes positive e to the minus x over 10. Now we combine the fractions. So we do over 10. Then e to the x plus e to the minus x. That should be our final form. Thank you very much, students.